Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'll be upfront with you. I have an addiction. I am addicted to ordering seeds. Time I tell myself I'm not going to order more seeds, I end up ordering more seeds. But this one, it's not my fault. This order was caused by You Grow Grow. A couple weeks ago, she posted in the community section of a company called Hudson Valley Seeds that would send you 20 seeds, 20 packs of seeds for $5. Now, any self-respecting seed um, addicted person like me couldn't pass that up. So I ordered, and we're going to see what we have. It came in the package yesterday, and I opened it, and let's dump it out. First and foremost, I love the way these seeds are packaged. They all look like this, and on the back of them, they have little labels that say that they're certified organic seeds. Some are flowers, and then some are vegetable seeds. So, since I'm going to be relocating and having majority raised beds, I figured why not have more seeds? So these will definitely be useful. Let's see what we got. We have a little gem lettuce mix. It says these are miniature heading lettuces with a variety of colors and shapes. You can direct sow or start early. These are flowers, the Love in a Mist, pink, blue, and white blooms. Lemon drop hot pepper, definitely something that I would be growing. Says that it takes 98 days from transplanting, so I should be able to have some of these during the summer. Um, I would not have thought about purchasing lemon drop hot peppers stuff, but since the company sent them, I'm definitely going to be using them. Another vegetable, the lemon cucumber. It says it yields loads of small, golden, sweet, and crunchy fruit. I can't wait to see what these taste like. Now, I have multiple varieties of cucumbers. They are varieties that I grow are self-pollinating and basically female ones. So it'll be nice to be able to grow something that's different and see how it turns out. This is a flower called Fever View. It's pretty white with abundant blooms, and it's supposed to be real good for filling bouquets. They get about 30 inches tall. Merlot lettuce. I have this already. As a matter of fact, I have some growing inside my let pot right now. It's one of my favorite varieties of lettuce to grow. This is the Mandarin Moon tomato. I have multiple varieties of tomatoes as well, but this one is kind of like a yellowish type. It says it's small, pale, tasty fruits grow on stout, disease-resistant vines. So I'm definitely going to try to grow these. This is Golden Giant Amaranth. Now, I just got into growing amaranth. I have a green variety right now, and I enjoyed. I recently harvested and posted a video of me cooking some of it. I enjoyed it. It was tasty, so I'm going to try to grow this as well. Double click Cosmos. My wife will love these. Some Chinese cabbage. I think I would love these also to make kimchi out of. Northern Lights Linaria. Um, More flowers. A New Yorker tomato. Um, I have to see what this is like. Definitely interested in growing it. Eggplant. I've grown eggplant before, at least where I'm currently located at, and really had difficulty growing it. It was the what are they called? I forget what they were called, but Black Beauty variety rather. And I had difficulty growing it. And then the second reason I didn't like it, my family wouldn't eat it, and we didn't have any recipes for using it. So I'm not sure if I'll be growing eggplants, but I'm grateful that they sent the seeds to me. Pineapple tomato, another variety that I would not have thought of on buying, but since they sent it to me, I'm going to try it. Spotted trout lettuce. The name itself sounds interesting, so definitely will be trying to grow it. Snapdragon mix. Gonna try to grow some of these. Ukrainian slicing cucumber. Sounds interesting. Might try growing some of these as well. Rembrandt snapdragon. My wife has been after me for a while to grow her some flowers. So I'm going to have 9 raised beds, and one of those beds is going to be dedicated to flowers. So maybe this will be a candidate. This is the Ruby Moon Hyacinth bean. It's These are not for eating or anything like that. Um, Probably may not grow. I'm not sure if I will or not, but we'll see. And endless bloom cut flower mix. Again, the wife will probably be happy with this one. And the last one didn't come from them, but I opened it and left it lying around. So it'll be here as well. These are the giant red mustards, and I definitely will be growing these um, probably when I get everything set up. It'll be too late to grow these, but I will be growing these in the fall. Now, in addition to the seeds that you just saw, I have more seeds inside the house, and I have 2 plastic totes of seeds. So I really don't need any more seeds. But as I said before, I'm addicted to buying seeds, and not that I need an intervention or anything like that, but I think that I'm going to have to do a better job of not buying so many seeds. So if you are interested in the seeds, I'm not sure if they're still running the special or not. Head over to the website. It's hudsonvalleyseeds.com. I'll put the email address on the screen. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed and stay strong and grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And you can share my content. Leave me a message in the comment portion on what you think of the seeds and of what they're the deal that they offered. And everyone give that ordered the seeds, give a big shout out and thanks to You Grow Row. She's always finding good quality seeds where if you purchase them or purchase whatever she finds, it is at a discount and it definitely will help you out. So shout out to You Grow Row. Until next time, take care.